Changes to new laws on guaranteed minimum prices for farmers, a key trigger for their massive protests near Delhi, and the possibility of exempting Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh from the laws are likely to be discussed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet today. Sources say the government is discussing various options before taking a decision. One of the formulations being suggested is to exempt key states from the farm bills, including exempting Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, and also assuring that the minimum support price mechanism will continue. The ruling left-led coalition in Kerala and the opposition were locked in a close contest today in early leads from local body polls, seen as a litmus test for parties ahead of assembly elections in the state next year. The ruling Left Democratic Front is leading in 402 of the 945 Gram Panchayats or village panchayats, and the opposition Congress-led United Democratic Front in 343, making it a tight fight. The Supreme Court is hearing a petition today seeking removal of the farmers protesting against the centre's farm laws from Delhi borders. The farmers have been protesting at Singhu and other border points of Delhi since November 26th, seeking the repeal of the 3 laws passed in September. The petition has been filed by law student Rishabh Sharma and will be heard by a bench of Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice V. Ramasubramanian. A top military commander has said that trust between the Indian Army and China's People's Liberation Army has evaporated after the clash in Ladakh's Galwan Valley in June. Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, GOC Eastern Command, said it will take time to rebuild the trust. He was addressing the public at an event where Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other army officials paid tributes at the National War Memorial on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the 1971 India-Pakistan War that liberated Bangladesh. Former President Pranab Mukherjee's son and daughter are at loggerheads over the publication of Mukherjee's memoir, The Presidential Years. While son Abhijit Mukherjee has sought to vet the book before it is published, Sharmishta Mukherjee has lashed out at her brother, asking him not to create unnecessary hurdles in the publication of the book, which she said their father finished before his death in August this year. The book has been in the news over certain comments critical of the Congress party and especially Sonia Gandhi.